Forward. Forward. Forward.
Surprised the undercarriage didn't work. Smells good. Not too bad on a triple foam. Oh, wow.
Exit. 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 Exit.
Wow. That was incredible. LaserWash 360 Plus. Revisit and retake in 2025 year. Here at Burgettstown car wash. Every PA. Hang on a second. And here's the vacuums. Oh, it says. No, watch. These are future vacuums. Oh wow, those are rare. Fine. There's a coin. There's 2 coins. Hang on a second, guys. Wow. You did a nice job though. I mean, the only thing that did not work is the undercarriage. That's kind of weird. And they must be broken. I'm not sure what's going on with the undercarriage though. Anyway, here's the rest of the self-serve. Here's the rest of the car wash. This is a big, huge base of self-serve base. 2 of them, along with. I don't think there's any vacuums on the side. I don't think. Nope, it's not no vacuums on the side. They have new vacuum hoses. They replaced the old ones. It used to be black and gray, but not anymore. These are. Can't tell what kind of system this is. The car wash is self-service. It's an outdoor bay. It's like a truck bay, semi, whatever you want to call it. I'll take a look through some of the self-service for you guys and see what kind of equipment this is. This is a little creepy one because these are. I can't tell what kind of self-serve equipment there are though. The system it is. I know it's not Magic Wand. I'm guessing it's PDQ or something. And these are super banks. I'll take a look at this one for you guys, and if I can't figure out the name of it, just write it down and read down below in the comments. Oh, this one has triple foam and dryers too. Huh. I'll be darned. I can't tell. Oh, they have Amsterdam in these bays too. Self-serve hand wash manual. Hopefully, sometime soon they'll be able to maybe update the automatics, because they actually changed the wash prices, and yeah, and so sucks that the undercarriage didn't work though, but it's the pay station. Yeah. Oh, solar's no longer available because I see it. So it says our menu has changed. We now offer semi-max chemical plus times high. Solar is no longer available. So we got the ceramic plus 15. Did a nice job though, but the car's nice and clean. Only reason why I'm in instruction today is because I have a nice day off, help my mom and get some stuff. My dog Tally's with us taking shots. My dog, the other one, is at home where she feels comfortable and she feels relaxed because she doesn't like car washes, but Tally does though. Anyway, so yeah, they have good vacuums here though. Other than that, we'll go from there. So yeah, nice tour, and here's the garbage cans, but I have to say the items I'm looking for. And then we'll go from there. All right, see you guys.